The town of Leitchfield isn't like most other places. But New York blower is the same no matter where you are. Whether you are in Leitchfield, LaPorte, Effingham, Newcastle, Philadelphia, Etowah, or Willowbrook, it's all the same. Quality people building quality products for 135 years.
I'm Greg Whittington, New York Blower Vice President of Sales. We opened the Leitchfield facility in 2012. Bob Fortner, one of our best LaPorte operations managers, moved down to get the facility up and running. With his experience, we were able to do that very quickly. And Todd Wood and his management team have done a great job since then with hiring, staff development, and efficiency improvements.
Name is Todd Wood, Director of Operations, New York Blower Company here in Leitchfield, Kentucky. Population in Leitchfield is around 6,500, Grayson County around 26,000. NYB's been manufacturing here will be 11 years September of this year. We use all arrays of equipment from lasers, CNC machines, welders, press brakes. Our capacities on our hoist are from 500 to 3,000 pounds.
Strategically, what Leitchfield brings to the table is extra capacity. We've got 81,000 square feet of manufacturing space, and that's really allowed us to grow significantly our core general industrial business segment, as well as a number of our large OEMs.
All type of fans get manufactured here in Leitchfield, from small pressure blowers to round fans, plug fans, GIs. I feel like you name it, we do it here.
The future is wide open for Leitchfield. We have a great facility, a great workforce. The support we've gotten from the state of Kentucky has been excellent. We own a large piece of land around the outside of the current building, which will easily allow us to add on for future expansion.
What makes Leitchfield special is the people. When I say studs, we have a group of people here that are unbelievable. Young, hardworking, dedicated, problem-solving, just a very, very smart group of people. The future for Leitchfield, if I could put it into words, probably phenomenal. I can't wait to see what this group of people has in store. I have so many young guys that are the tomorrow. It's going to be amazing, to say the least. And 11 years of hard work, pride, that's what makes us who we are.
As Bob Fortner would say, let's get back to work.